Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the IR controller and joining your 4 GHz Wi-Fi. This ties the device to your home network so it can send commands. Once done, install the official app and accept local network and Bluetooth permissions so discovery works. Next, position the controller 1 to 3 meters from the equipment with a clear line of sight. This maximizes IR reach. Make sure firmware updates are allowed in the app before proceeding, because updates often fix compatibility issues you'll need later. You now add devices. Use the app's automated search by category and brand to quickly find working codes, or switch to manual code entry if nothing matches. Once a code is applied, test essential commands: power, volume, input, and fine-tune transmit power and repeat intervals to avoid missed presses. If the controller supports learning, make sure to point the original remote at the controller sensor 3 to 5 centimeters away and capture signals for custom or older remotes. Then save each command into a named scene or room. You finish by building automations and integrations. Combine IR commands into scenes, schedule actions, or link to voice assistants for hands-free control. Make sure routines include small delays between commands to match device response times. If something fails, consult the app logs for failed sends or Wi-Fi drops. Relearn commands that look noisy. As a key troubleshooting tip, reboot the controller, ensure it's on the 4 GHz network. Reposition it for a clearer line of sight, and apply any pending firmware updates before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.